This is the elevator at the Courtyard by Marriott in Gainesville, Florida. Looks like they redid the cab. We're gonna go with 3. We are at 3. Hallway looks a little bit different than I remember. Last time I was here was 8 years ago. Let's go to 1. Let's go for one more ride. The lantern hasn't changed. We're stopping. The reason why I point out the lantern was you can tell it's been drawn on with a Sharpie. Looked the same exact way. But we're not stopping. That was weird. Okay then. The elevator, it seemed like it was stopping at 2. It was going at leveling speed. It didn't actually stop. It just went to floor 2. Now it is stopping at 2. It was leveling speed and then it went back to full speed.
Really? What was your first one?
Door shuts pretty quickly. But also that back wall of the cab looks a little different than the side walls. I wonder if they just painted over the old wall. And that'll be it.